Look at that. They got Shorty in the window. Man, I was trying to get that dude all last year, and they got it sitting right here. What is this store? Spooky vendor this way. All right, if you guys remember Creepy Classics at the Wonderlands of America Mall, it is now officially moved here at the Rolling Oaks Mall. They have Shorty. Check him out. Dun 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 dun. Man, I wanted to get him last year. But yeah, oh, there's Jason right over here. Yesterday was Friday the 13th. He's just chilling like a villain. And as you can see, we're here for a halfway to Halloween event. MonsterCon 2022 will be here. We have a couple of special guests. Let's go inside Creepy Classics. Ooh, they got some $100 there for me. I like this lamp right here. Check that out. Spooky, huh? A lot of old school novelties. Oh, this is really neat. I like that. Is it an action figure? I've never seen these. How cool is that? But yeah, I love Count Chocula and Frankenberry. Got Hellraiser, Michael Myers. Check this out. Oh, I know, right? That's all old school. And then the Frankenberry. Yeah, they just don't have the Boo-Berry. So, she's going down memory lane.
Yeah, this girl dressed up like a witch, and I would think she was dressed up like Richie Poo from HR Perkins.
There you go, right?
The TV people were doing drugs real bad.
Yeah, I know. The good old days. See, that's why we all need to be happy people like this. Let's go. Well, they're coming in that side, so let's go over here. Yeah, I remember some of these things. Oh, that was so cool right there.
I love it. I like it. I was watching that.
Always some really cool novelties. The old school stuff right here. Porcelain, and yeah, that's the sign. We're halfway to Halloween, folks. I mean, but this is year round here, because this is always open. Well, for the most part. I'm not sure the exact hours for Creepy Classics. Check that coffee mug out. It's Chucky. He's my friend. I'm gonna get the ultimate Chucky, folks. I'll do an unboxing of that soon. Well, well, well. Look at this. My wife was looking for something like this. One of her dolls. They got a Chucky one. Got the Nun. Michael Myers. Freddy. Pennywise. That's so cool. I don't see a Chucky though. Annabelle. Freddy. Pinhead. Pennywise. Jason. Check out these creepy little bully ladies over here. And for you guys that don't know, we got old DVDs. And I'm sure they got some VHS right down there. Gets a little older as we go. And look at these beautiful colors, orange and black. So cool. Look at this. How cool is this? If this don't get you in the Halloween mood, look at this. This is really neat. I just now saw this one. A little tumbler. Oh man, that's really cool. But yeah, if this don't get you in the Halloween mood, I don't know what will. But we're halfway to Halloween, folks. And we're here at Creepy Classics at the Rolling Oaks Mall in San Antonio, and everything else is gonna be here at Rolling Oaks moving forward. I like this bag. Mars Attacks. Dun, 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 dun. That's really neat right there. Got a spider. And we're here at Creepy Classics.
Really? Was that a hit? Actually, we're not done. We were going to show all the big stuff.
Check her out, man.
Good, how are you?
I've seen it like a million times, but I'm all. I seen it a million times, I'm all like, hold on, I gotta watch it.